request, please maintain the COVID norms and regulations. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the press conference of Birla Fertility and IVF. I, Rituparna, will be your host for today's event. We at Birla Fertility and IVF have a vision of transforming the future of fertility globally through outstanding clinical outcomes, research, innovation, and compassionate care. We are committed to delivering quality and patient-centric healthcare. Birla Fertility and IVF will strengthen this commitment further by supporting every couple in their journey to parenthood, keeping clinical excellence and compassion as its core. With immense pride and honor, let me introduce you to our leadership team. Mr. Akshat Seth, the Chief Executive Officer of CK Birla Healthcare, the parent company of Birla Fertility and IVF. We have Dr. Pankaj Talwar, who is the Head of Medical Services at Birla Fertility and IVF. We have Dr. Shorin Bhattacharya, who is the Center Head at Birla Fertility and IVF, Kolkata. Let me first invite Akshat to introduce Birla Fertility and IVF to you all. Akshat joined the CK Birla Group in 2014 as the Head Office of Growth and Strategy, driving strategy, M&A, and new business development across all group companies. He has helped incubate the concept of CK Birla from an idea to where it is today, a combination of two brands, the CK Birla Hospital and Birla Fertility and IVF. Akshat started his career as a management consultant with Kearney for over 10 years, working in India, Middle East, and Europe. He is a chemical engineer from IIT Delhi and MBA from IIM Calcutta. Akshat, over to you. Kindly introduce the brand.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Ritu. And a warm welcome to all of you, members of the media, uh, and our colleagues who are also driving a lot of work on the digital space. Uh, so I welcome you to this press conference. And thank you for joining us for a very important milestone for us as a brand. Uh, we are here today to announce the launch of CK Birla Healthcare's first comprehensive fertility clinic in West Bengal and the whole of East India. Uh, it's called the Birla Fertility and IVF here at Ideal Plaza, Sharad Bose Road. Uh, so this launch is important because it adds to our existing portfolio of clinics in Delhi, Gurugram and Lucknow. Uh, the CK Birla Group, especially for Calcutta, needs little introduction. We started actually in this part of the country about 150 years ago, and today it's a business conglomerate worth over $3 billion in revenue, uh, with presence across multiple business sectors and across all the 5 continents. Calcutta is also the place where we started our 5-decade-old legacy in healthcare. We run 2 iconic hospitals here, the Calcutta Hospital, CMRI, and B.M. Birla Heart Institute. It was India's first cardiac-focused super specialty hospital in East India back when it started. Today, in addition to these hospitals in Calcutta, we run large multi-speciality hospitals in Jaipur, in Delhi, and in Gurugram. And these hospitals, over the 5 decades of their existence, stand for high quality care uh, and great medical infrastructure in these locations. Birla Fertility and IVF is our newest brand and venture in healthcare. With this brand, as Ritu mentioned, the group aims to become a global leader in fertility care, with a vision to transform the future of fertility through outstanding clinical outcomes, research, innovation, and compassionate care. You would ask, for a group like this, why fertility? And here are some statistics about India are telling. India is home to nearly 23 million couples who face fertility issues. And that's nearly 1 in 6 of every married couple who needs some fertility related intervention. However, less than 1% of this population actually comes forward for medical assistance. This is primarily due to lack of awareness and in many cases lack of access to good quality medical care. So the market is both underserved and underpenetrated, and that's a story not just in India but globally as well. So our endeavor at Birla Fertility is to build both awareness and access to reliable fertility treatment. And in that direction, to further reiterate our commitment in spreading fertility awareness, we are offering free OPD consultations at all our centers, including this one in Calcutta. Overall, our plan is to expand to a national and international footprint of over 100 clinics in the next 5 years with an investment in excess of over 500 crores. We are already operational, as I said, in Delhi, Gurugram and Lucknow. And with this Calcutta center, the plan is to expand the footprint in the entire Eastern India region with another 8 to 10 centers over the next 3 to 4 years. How are we different? How are we different from other fertility players that are out there? I think our focus is on bringing 3 big promises. The first one is to bring clinically reliable treatment, and that comes with a great team of clinicians and embryologists. Our team carries a combined experience of over 21,000 IVF cycles, great and state-of-the-art IVF infrastructure and technology that is being used. All this leading to superior outcomes and higher success rate. So that's our first differentiator. Our second differentiator is a price promise. We are bringing transparent and competitive prices that ensures accessibility to a wider section of society. And finally, the third one is a promise of empathetic and trustworthy care. Our focus is, and our clinicians spend more than the usual amount of time to understand every patient's unique needs and the choices that they want to exercise, and we offer them an unparalleled service experience. In short, our brand tagline, which says all heart, all science, is the best summary of who we are and how we are different. Before I hand over the baton to Dr. Talwar, I just want to highlight our unique approach to fertility treatment. We believe fertility treatment is not just IVF. It is about a more holistic approach to promoting good fertility health.
Specialist in India. He has 29 plus years of experience, including 15 years with the Army Research and Referral Hospital, New Delhi, INHS Aswini, and Manipal Hospital. He has set up multiple ART clinics in India and abroad and has experience of over 14,000 plus IVF cycles. He is also a recipient of the prestigious Vishisht Seva Medal. Dr. Talwar has 8 books and 70 plus national and international publications to his name. He has been trained in Israel, France, Germany, Barcelona, and is a pioneer in ovarian tissue freezing in India. Dr. Talwar is a master trainer in clinical embryology and IVF. Over to you, Dr. Talwar.
Thank you, Ritu. Thank you so much. So it's a great honor to welcome you all to this very special event for Birla Fertility and IVF. As Akshat rightly brought about, Birla Fertility and IVF is about all heart, all cells. I'll talk a bit about all cells and then a bit of all about heart. Till now, we have learned that the major cause of infertility lies in the female part. This is ingrained in our minds. But as we are evolving, we are coming to know that the man is an equal partner in this particular business. So our brand focus would be to create awareness all over the country about this particular issue, so that we can give the women the right place in the society. Fertility management is not about IVF. Fertility management is very holistic, and we plan to offer comprehensive portfolio of fertility management. Our management will involve management of the male, female partner, doing genetic studies, offering them PGS, doing male diagnostic testing, so that we give the couple a complete holistic management. We also plan to do and offer very standardized management and treatment all over the country in all our upcoming 100 centers. We want to be the market leaders in offering fertility preservation. Now, what is fertility preservation? It is a diagnosis or it is a methodology where we can preserve the fertility of the young boys and girls and even adult male and females. The main indication of doing fertility preservation is a cancer. So we can go ahead and do fertility preservation for the young girls, young boys, adolescents who have got cancer and preserve their eggs or testes. Here we work very actively along with the primary cancer care teams, the oncology teams. The second part of the fertility preservation is doing the preservation for the women who want to bank their fertility. Nowadays, we have found that women are getting married a bit late, so we will offer them the facility of banking their fertility by doing egg preservation. As we have said, at Birla Fertility and IVF, we believe, we trust from our heart in giving out multidisciplinary care to our patients, where we have under one roof, and repeat, a nutritionist, a counselor, an oncologist, endocrinologist, and an endocrinologist. Anyone who comes to our centers will be given the most comprehensive care under one roof very quickly. Once we embark on the fertility journey, our fertility experts who have got experience of more than 21,000 IVF cycles, a huge number, 21,000 IVF cycles. They got the best experience. We have got most compassionate and most comprehensively trained paramedical and medical staff. They'll be offering the best experience to the patients who come to us. We will offer one of the highest success rates in the country to the couples who come to us. Our success rates are not only the best in the country, but they are neck to neck with the best in the world. Birla Fertility and IVF is going to offer the best infra. Infra stands for the buildings and the way we make our laboratories and our OTs. We're going to offer the best infra in the country. Best equipment in the country have been bought, and they'll be used to treat our male and female partners. Birla Fertility and IVF stands for comprehensive care, superior patient experience, most comprehensive patient experience, packages, compassionate care coming from the compassionate staff, and offering treatment with the best infra and equipment in the country and even the world. I'm sure that anyone who comes to our clinic, any clinic out of the 100 in the country, will have a very, very pleasant experience, superior clinical outcome, and they'll be very happy patients. Thank you so much. It was wonderful having you all around and giving me this chance to speak to all. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Talwar. Now that we know the pan-India presence of Birla Fertility, I would take the pride of introducing to you Dr. Shoren Bhattacharya, who is the center head for BFI, Birla Fertility and IVF, Kolkata. Dr. Shoren Bhattacharya is a renowned IVF specialist with 32 plus years of experience in India and across various prominent institutions in UK, Bahrain and Bangladesh. Some of his experiences include Tata Motors Hospital, Jamshedpur, the Conception Care Center and Agatha Fertility Center, Kolkata, Kamineni Fertility Center, Hyderabad, and Chevron Infertility Center, Chittagong and Dhaka. He has extensive experience in the management of male and female infertility. Along with this, Dr. Sharin has carried out more than 6,000 IVF cycles with a very high success rate. He has been trained in fertility management from various reputed institutes in India and UK, including the distinguished John Radcliffe Hospital, Oxford, UK. Dr. Sharin, we request you to tell us more about your experience and journey as an IVF expert.
Thank you, Ritu. Thank you, Talwar sir, for giving a wonderful insight into villa fertility, what we are doing, and world-class treatment we are offering. Just one thing I wanted to say is that, as Akshat also mentioned, we treat patients with all heart and all science. When it comes to heart, I mean that every patient gets a personalized care when they just walk into our center, and we treat them as an individual and holistic, and give them the complete care they need, because we see that infertility patients, they are suffering for many years and they are quite anxious, and we as a team of doctors, not only our doctors, we have got a team of nurses, counselors. We handhold the patient at each steps of their journey through us, and make sure that they are comfortable at each and every step of the treatment. We go to such an extent that we understand what is their problem, and so that they can tell us without fear and anxiety, and then we offer them the appropriate treatment they need. They can make, here we give them the informed choices of treatment, what they can go for or not. That's what we want. We always put them first. Our patients are our first, and we always give them what the treatment that is best suited for them, because we are always with them from first to last. Complete treatment we are providing. It's not just IVF, but it's fertility treatment as a whole I am talking about. Here, as Akshat was saying, that we are always very transparent and honest pricing also. Couples are counseled over here, and they are transparently, we inform them, and and we all take the decisions in an informed way, and obviously that is obvious, and it should be ethical. We are offering affordable treatment packages to provide access to all, means wider section of the society. Now, coming to Kolkata, as you know that Kolkata is a medical hub and has got good treatment facilities with clinical reliable doctors. So we get patients from not only Kolkata but throughout West Bengal, part of Bihar, the western side. We get patients from Northeast and also from Bangladesh, Nepal, and few from Middle East as well. So we are catering a wide section of patients with a multicultural, diversity, and we should know how to treat them in, in a holistic way, I mean, a total holistic way, and that we obviously we are concerned about that, and we are offering that in our centers. We already started getting patients from abroad also. Now, as our is a one-stop clinic, and it is dedicated not only to means IVF, we offer the whole range of fertility treatment, including the male and the female. And we proudly say that our male infertility treatment is one of the best in the country. We are always providing the different types of male infertility treatments over here, and we will be soon starting over here also the micro TC, which in Calcutta probably, to my knowledge, nobody is doing. We will be starting over here soon. So we are already in a very short of period, we are already getting good number of patients, and both male and female inquiries are pouring in, and we are looking very positive on this note, and we hope to give better treatment and better facilities to these needy patients who comes to us. Thank you very much once again for coming and sparing your time with us, and we look forward to your cooperation in the future as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Shireen, for letting us know about Birla Fertility and IVF. Now, I would encourage if anyone has any questions from the audience regarding anything like fertility preservation or how are we different other than what the doctors, the speakers have explained, I would encourage you to ask questions and let us
जैसे मेरा एक सवाल है
जी
महिलाओं की फर्टिलिटी बढ़ाने के लिए दो किस्म की सर्जरियाँ की जाती है, एक है लैप्रोस्कोपी और जो भी है तो लैप्रोस्कोपी करने के लिए आपने आपने कहा कि कंप्लीट रेट आप प्रोवाइड करते हो, तो मेरा ये कहना है कि ये रेट जो है ये वैरी करती है, मतलब आपके यहाँ पे फर्टिलिटी सेंटर में क्या है मुझे पता नहीं है, तो ये जो वेरिएशन है इसको आप कैसे कंट्रोल करते हो और किस तरीके से आप इसको कंप्लीटली बता रहे हो?
जो आपका सवाल है जो मैं समझ पाया हूँ, दो तरह की सर्जरीज हम करते हैं टू ट्रीट दी वुमेन पार्टनर। वन इज लेप्रोस्कोपी अदर इज हिस्टेरोस्कोपी। ये दोनों सर्जरीज हर केस में नहीं की जाती है। दे हैव गॉट सम इंडिकेशंस, सो वी हैव टू बी हाईली सिलेक्टिव इन डूइंग दिस सर्जरीज। देयर इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट कॉल्ड नीड टू ट्रीट। देयर आर इनफ गाइडलाइंस। आपके जो मिथ्या है उनको मैं निकालना चाह रहा हूँ। आप सब लोग, आपने सवाल हिंदी में पूछा था तो आंसरिंग इन हिंदी। हमारे दिमाग में बहुत मिथ्याएं होती हैं कि लेप्रोस्कोपी हिस्टेरोस्कोपी हमें हर केस में करनी है, एंड दे एड ऑन टू द एक्सपेंडिचर फॉर द कंपनी। बट एज पर द कैनेडियन, यूरोपियन, अमेरिकन, ऑस्ट्रेलियन गाइडलाइंस, जो नीड टू ट्रीट है, हम कितने केस करें और हमें इसका उसको हमें फ़ायदा मिले, दिस हैज़ प्रोवन दैट दे हैव गॉट वेरी मिनिमल इंडिकेशन ऑफ इंडिकेशन। जब ज़रूरी है तो हम करेंगे और हर केस में नहीं। जो हमारे रेट्स हैं, दे विल बी द मोस्ट कॉम्पिटिटिव इन द इंडस्ट्री, एंड वी ऑल्सो ऑफर दिस फैसिलिटी, एंड वी हैव गॉट द स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट ऑपरेशन थिएटर्स, एंड यू कैन सी इन केस यू वांट टू सी, एंड द बेस्ट इक्विपमेंट इन द वर्ल्ड वी हैव गॉट। In case you want to know about our pricing and rates, definitely yes, we can. You can. आपकी बात हमने सुनी है, and we will respond back to you in a very formal.
আর যদি কারোর কিছু কোয়েশ্চেন থাকে কাইন্ডলি আই উড এনকারেজ আপনারা জিজ্ঞেস করুন যাতে ইউ হ্যাভ মোর ইনফরমেশন অ্যাবাউট আস।
দরকার তো নেই যেটা বলছি, কিন্তু যাদের নেই তাদের তো নেই, হ্যাঁ, তাদের তো দরকার আছে, তাই নাকি? হ্যাঁ, যাদের নেই তারা এসে আমাদের কাছে কান্নাকাটি করে, প্রথমে একটা বাচ্চা যদি পাওয়া যায় কীভাবে, ডাক্তারবাবু আপনি যা কিছু করুন, কিছু করে আমাকে একটা বাচ্চা দিন। তো তাদেরকে তো একটা যদি আমরা সেই মাকে বা সেই কাপলকে আমরা যদি একটা বুকে একটা সন্তান দিতে পারি, এর থেকে আনন্দ কিছু নেই। হ্যাঁ, মেডিসিনে দিলেই তো অনেক সময় প্রেগনেন্সি আসে, অনেক কিছুই আসে।
এটা সাধারণ জনগণের ক্ষেত্রে যদি বেশি দেখা যায় তো সেক্ষেত্রে এটা খরচাটা কিরকম? এই যে যদি এটা ট্রিটমেন্ট করতে চায় তার খরচাটা কিরকম হবে?
খরচাটা ডিপেন্ড করবে তার কি কি কন্ডিশনে সে কি এসছে, তার কি চিকিৎসা লাগবে সেই হবে। সবসময় তো যার ধরুন না, আপনার একটা খরচা হতে পারে, ওনার আর একটা খরচা হতে পারে, সেরকম আপনারা তো সবসময় আইভিএফ নাও লাগতে পারে না, ওষুধ মার খাই হয়ে গেল হয়তো ট্রিটমেন্ট।
Doctor, I have a question. Or you are sending samples to somewhere else in the other labs?
I will take your question, sir.
Yeah.
You wanted to know, I'll repeat for everyone in very simple terms. You wanted to know, do we assess hormonal function in the male and the female? Do we have the facility to diagnose them and to treat them? As I brought out that at Birla Fertility and IVF, we believe in complete holistic care, and endocrinology is a very major part of our treatment. All our doctors are trained in handling cases with PCOD, like you have PCOD, which can lead to hormonal imbalance. There can be thyroid disorders, and very commonly, though not endocrinal, but there can be vitamin D deficiencies, which are very common in the women. in the men, the common problems are